So the point that I'm trying to get at here is that with dual process theory, type 1 is what we refer to as bias. Why? Because it's your subconscious programming that's worked so well for you the overwhelming majority of the time, you believe that your thinking mind is helping you. And so when you make decisions, you go through a cognitive process that goes through your subconscious, and it looks for information that is different. And if it doesn't seem, and if it isn't different enough, it goes, this answer is good enough. Okay? And so you end up, for instance, here's an interesting thing. Has anybody ever had difficulty waking up in the morning, in the point in their life where they're like, it's like a full beat down? How many folks actually change the behaviors of their lifestyle in order to go to bed earlier in order to accommodate for it? Okay, so that is type 2 thinking. That is type 2 thinking, because the bias is generally, I'm tired, I got to get up in the morning, I'm just not getting enough sleep. And then you work too much, don't get enough sleep, and then you wake up the next day and you're like, I'm tired. And you're like, well, yeah, no kidding, because you're in your type 1 thinking, which is you're in your subconscious. And your subconscious programming is repetition, and it's safe enough, and it doesn't like change. Okay?